Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, it's another makeup tutorial. Y'all, I'm in love with this look. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. That lip. Look at that glitter, girl. Yes. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime my face. I'm using NYX Studio Perfect primer. I'm just gonna use a brush. That's e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. Next, I'm gonna use my Honeydew from NYX, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. Now I'm going to be using this angle brush to fill in my brows. Now, I did not put the whole clip of me doing my brows because you guys already have an eyebrow tutorial up, and plus that day I was having a hard time getting my brows to my liking. So next, I'm going to use my concealer in Makeup Revolution in C13 and C12, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm just going to use this dense brush to pat in the concealer in. Now, these brushes are from Lynette Lepore. I got these brushes from TJ Maxx. I really love them. And now I'm going to be going in my Morphe 352 palette, and I know that shade looked like it was a shimmer shade, but it wasn't. This is actually the that fiery red in that fiery red shadow in the palette. That's what I'm doing. I'm patting that all over my lid, and as you can see, you probably seen that I did not set my concealer, because I heard that the Makeup Revolution concealers, they're just like what is it called again? P. Louise concealers. So I had to test them out and see for myself. Now I'm taking my Morphe brush. I'll have it listed down below what number it is, but I took my Morphe brush, and now I'm taking that color from my Jacklyn Hill palette, and I'm just deepening the crease after I applied that red. And I love that brush. I love it. I love it. I love it. Next, I'm going to go back in that palette, and I'm going to take that dark brown. It looks kind of black just a bit, but it's really a dark brown, and I'm going to deepen the crease even more with that. And I was using my e.l.f. brush, but now I'm going back into my Morphe brush, and I'm going back to bring the colors back and kind of blend out that dark brown, and just kind of take away that harsh line in my crease. Now I'm using my NYX Skin Like eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use that flat brush. These brushes do not have names, guys, so... And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease. Now, as you can see, one side, I used the NYX skin tone, and then the other side, I used the Makeup Revolution. I just wanted to test this. I just wanted to test out the NYX skin tone eyeshadow primer. I never used it, and this was my first time, so I was just trying to, see what it's about. So I kind of just used it on one eye, and I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it, but I have to use it again. I'm just scared to use it, like, I don't know, on both of my eyes. So I tried one, and it looked good. And as you can see on this side, that's the Makeup Revolution that I'm using right now to put on my crease. As you can see, it kind of glide on, but the NYX, it took a while. Now I'm gonna use a flat brush. These brushes do not have names, guys, I'm sorry. And I'm kind of taking away the product from the concealer and the eyeshadow primer, And I'm going to take another small flat brush, and I'm going to take that olive green shadow from Jaclyn Hill's palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Yes. Now, as you can see with the NYX primer, eyeshadow primer, you can see the olive green kind of like showed it. It popped more than me putting concealer. So then I went in with my e.l.f. corrector, and I corrected my face. And then now I'm going in with my Studio Sculpt foundation from M.A.C, and I'm just taking a flat brush and I'm just putting that all over my face. And I also did my lashes and liner off camera because, y'all, I don't know what it was, but I think I was having a bad makeup day because I hate my liner and my lashes just look crazy. And now I'm taking my Instapop from what is it, Real Technique. Oh, I love these brushes. I just got these. I got two of them actually. This is Instapop Real Technique flat face brush, I guess. And these are the new ones, I think, because I never seen them at Ulta, but I seen them, so I grabbed some and I love it. Now I'm taking my concealer in Fawn LA Pro Girl, LA Girl Pro. Wow, okay. Yeah, I'm taking my concealer and as you can see, I'm just putting that under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead, my nose. And now I'm taking my Black Opal foundation stick in the color Ebony, and I just took a small brush and I just applied it on my face. Now I'm going back with my Instapop face brush from Real Technique, and I'm just blending out the concealer. Y'all, I am getting better and better every day with the lace and my makeup. I feel like I'm getting better with makeup. I think I am, if I just keep practicing and, you know, do my face. But yep, look at that. Look how that blended out. And now I'm going with my that's not Real Technique, my Ulta Beauty beauty sponge, and I'm just going under my eye and kind of getting the rest of the concealer. And now I'm taking my setting powder, and this is Laura Mercier mixed with Topaz, and all I'm doing is pressing it into my skin. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna just bake, and I'm gonna apply more and bake actually. And one thing I hate is that I hate the fact that my ring light, it kind of makes my makeup look washed out, and that's not how it really looks. So I don't know if I'm just too close to the ring light, but I put it at the lowest lighting, so I don't know. And now I'm taking this angled brush, and I'm just kind of like blending out my contour, blending out the Black Opal. Yes, sharp. Yes. You know, I can't mess up my baby hair, so I had to use a beauty sponge and just blend that all out. Now I'm using my M.A.C face powder in Dark Deep, and I'm just gonna press that onto my skin. Yes, girl. Y'all, I hated my liner so bad. I don't know if it's because I have nails on. It's so weird. Yeah, I just put this clip because I just wanted y'all to see like close up. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Bomb. Now my camera was dying, so I kind of went in and put white liner under my eyes, and then I put the same shadow, the shadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette under my eyes. And now I'm using e.l.f. blush and bronzer kit, and I am putting that right by where I contoured. And y'all, I love that bronzer. I don't think I can find it anymore. And now I'm taking NYX glitter, and I'm putting that under my eyes. I always wanted to try that. I never did it before, but this is my first time. I'm gonna start doing this now. And now I'm taking my blush palette that I got from the hair store. I don't know what it's called, guys, but as you can see, I'm applying that on my cheeks. Ooh, it looks so cute. You know, I hate blush, but now I'm starting to like it after this video. Now I'm taking my Morphe highlighter in Spark, and I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. I'll have it listed down below, and I'm just gonna apply that on my face. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh, amazing! Did you see that? Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, beauty, beauty, beauty. Put that down my nose. Yes, a little bit on my chin, my forehead. And also I went back in with my face powder and kind of like, you know, blended out everything. But now I'm using my lip pencil that I got from the hair store in the color Cocoa. And I lined my lip, and now I'm using Revlon's natural lip gloss. And how did y'all like this tutorial? Like, babies, like, what's good? What's up? Look at that. I look happy, y'all. Y'all see that? Yes. Beat. Oh my gosh. I look like a mother. I look like, all right. Yes. Y'all see that? Close the eyes. Ooh! Girl. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.